Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the afternoon session of the BEC EnviroSeries conference. In this session, it is our great honor for having Mr. Harry Ma, Deputy Director of Civil Engineering and Development of the HKSAR, to give us a keynote speech. Please welcome Mr. Ma.
Simon, honorable speakers, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank BEC, Simon, for inviting our department to share speech in this important conference today. Our department, CDD, has been endeavoring to undertake infrastructure construction and land supply projects for the sustainable development of Hong Kong. With the vision of building a smart, sustainable and resilient Hong Kong, I would like to share our experience and journey in my following slide. We set our target in combating climate change in the Paris Agreement. To signify our commitment, the government has announced that Hong Kong will strive to achieve carbon neutrality before 2050. And our interim decarbonization milestone to reduce Hong Kong carbon emissions by 50% before 2035 as compared to the 2005 level. In 2021, the government promulgated the Hong Kong's Climate Action Plan, which outlined 4 major decarbonization strategies, namely net zero electricity generation, energy saving and green buildings, green transport, and waste reduction. How could we take forward this strategy and achieve the targets? We all have our roles to play. In fact, building sustainable city has become a global trend. Our department, CDD, has been tasked with the development of the Northern Metropolis, which will become Hong Kong's new engine for economic development. It covers an area of about 13 hectares, which is around one-third of Hong Kong's total. I think you all know that there are currently villages, agricultural land, rich historical and cultural resources, and brownfield operations such as workshops and warehouses in the northern NT. Our vision is to develop the Northern Metropolis into a new international I&T city, integrating quality life, industry development, culture, and leisure, and promoting a better home-job balance and green living. We expect that it can accommodate a population of about 2.5 billion. Upon full development, it will create 650 new jobs. We aspire to create vibrant, livable, and sustainable communities under these major development projects for our next generations. To achieve our vision and goal, we have adopted a set of smart, green, and resilient strategies in the development of the Northern Metropolis, including sustainable planning and urban design, integrated SGR infrastructure system, as well as smart and green mobility. I would like to introduce some of the sustainable planning and urban design. First of all, we will adopt a 15-minute neighborhood concept for the planning of the living communities. Each community will have a green mass transit station at the center, with other public transport stations, daily shopping and dining facilities, community facilities, open space, etc., within a 15-minute speech, either by walking or cycling, and such reducing road traffic and encouraging low-carbon living. to provide a healthy and comfortable environment. Step building heights will be planned, and we will align the open space and breathing space with the prevailing wind direction and conduct air ventilation assessment. We will also encourage buildings to adopt skywise screening, including rooftop greening, vertical greening, sky gardens, etc., which will reduce the heat island effect, lower the energy consumption and carbon footprint of the buildings. We will provide a whole array of integrated smart, green, and resilient infrastructure systems, including spongy city design comprising sustainable urban drainage systems, such as porous pavement, retention tanks, etc. The spongy city design could enhance our resilience against intensive rainfall and reduce flooding risk. Also, we will put in place a comprehensive network of renewable energy facilities, in particular, solar energy panels to promote clean energy to support the city operation. We will provide district cooling system which has a high energy efficiency and a low carbon footprint to provide treated water from a central source to several multiple buildings, including the I&T industry. We will construct food waste and sewage sludge co-digestion facilities. They are the municipal infrastructure of our new generation community for handling our waste in an environmentally friendly manner. We will provide waste management facilities such as recycling stations and resource recovery facilities to promote waste reduction and recycling. Extensive common utility tunnels will be constructed to house various underground utilities. These common utility tunnels will effectively avoid public disturbance and minimize the associated energy consumption and waste generation arising from overall excavation for laying and maintenance of the underground utilities. We will adopt green transport mode, comprehensive pedestrian and cycle track networks to allow residents to travel by healthy modes, such as walking or cycling from their homes to different destinations for obtaining necessities within 15 minutes. Extensive supporting facility for electric and other new energy vehicles will be developed to actively promote the use of new energy vehicles to improve roadside air quality and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. New generation transport interchange hubs will be provided at strategic locations. They will become an important link between the transport and neighboring areas by providing diversified one-stop transport facilities to enhance passenger travel experience, thereby improving transport services. I have talked about our smart, green, and resilient strategy for our future northern metropolis. Apart from that, our department, CDD, over the years, together with the universities and industrial practitioners, have made various efforts on applying novel technology and materials to our projects for a sustainable, green, and resilient development. For example, the use of S690 high-strength steel in our causeway link, and the application, and the application of S960 ultra-high-strength steel in construction of a footbridge in Fairland North new development area. The use of these high-strength materials will reduce the member side of the bridge, including the columns and foundations, and so lower the relevant carbon emissions. Also, the implementation of eco-shoreline in Dongchong East reclamation projects, which mimic the natural shoreline for marine species in order to enhance biodiversity. On our landside risk management, we have pioneered a transformative advancement in landside risk management, the AI-empowered landside modeling system, the LWS. Since the last century, our department has maintained a comprehensive, high-quality database covering rainfall records, man-made slope inventories, and historical landslide reports. These datasets underpin a grid-based statistical model correlating rainfall with landslide occurrence for different slope types, which has served as the backbone of our LWS for the past 20 years. We now integrated machine learning and big data analytics to unlock unprecedented predictive capabilities. Traditional statistical models rely on linear correlations, but machine learning enable us to analyze multi-dimensional nonlinear variations with landslide triggers, such as rainfall intensity, slope geometry, and geological attributes. We have now developed a slope-based probabilistic machine learning model by a huge amount of historical data. With the real-time data from over 100 territory-wide winds gauge installed by our department, our AI model dynamically predict reported landslide occurrence during rainstorms. By transitioning from a grid-based statistical model to a slope-specific probabilistic forecast, we empower the LWS with actionable intelligence and enhance public safety and resilience against future challenges on extreme rainfall events. Nature-based solution, the NBS, is another key initiative that we are taking forward in our sustainability development. It addresses societal challenges through actions to protect, manage, and restore natural and modified ecosystem, benefiting people and nature at the same time. There will be more NBS to be implemented and managed in the coming Northern Metropolis projects. To better prepare for this important task, we have engaged a consultant a few months ago to review the NBS framework and practices applicable to Hong Kong and develop a systematic and structured NBS guideline for local application. The draft guidelines are now available and are being commented by the experts from academia. We need to build our future together. Please join hands with us in building Hong Kong a well-cast, sustainable, and resilient city for living, working, and playing. Thank you.
Mr. Ma, please remain on stage for a photo with our BEC CEO, Mr. Simon Ng. Thank you both. Please take a seat.